Earn $1,400 per day from Google News. You can go onto YouTube and there are many videos that are telling you that you can actually earn $1,400 per day from Google News. You know me, I have to go and investigate this and obviously see whether this is a truth or whether they are just using this as clickbait to get views on their video. So I went and had a look and find out exactly how this can be done and whether you can actually earn $1,400 per day from Google News. Let's see what I found. So, as I was saying earlier, there are so many videos here on YouTube under the term of earn $1,400 per day from Google News, and it's just saying how to copy and paste and make money from Google News. So let's go and check out exactly what they're doing, and also stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to be showing you what is ethical, what's not ethical, and whether you will actually make this money, because you're going to want to know everything that I discovered by watching some of these videos. So what a lot of these videos are claiming, that the ones I've watched anyway, is that you can basically go over to Google News and then you can just take an article and then you can copy it. And then what you want to do is head over to a site such as the ChatGPT, which I've actually tried to open, but it says it's at capacity right now, so we can't do that. There are other AI sites you could do, or you could do a site that actually just spins articles. And this is where the first flaw comes in, because spinning articles is okay, but at the end of the day, it is not a genuine article by yourself then. So that is the first point. That is obviously a little bit of a misconception there, because you are actually just taking someone else's work and then just spinning it. By all means, come to Google News and get ideas of what to write about and then write about it in your own words. That is fine. But if you're then taking content and literally spinning it, and what I mean is, say, I've brought this article up here. Loads of different websites out there that want articles from you. And all these companies will pay you for your articles. It saves them having to obviously employ people, so they can then get the up-to-date news and articles on all sorts of things without having to pay an awful lot of money. And this is what these videos obviously are telling you to do. They're telling you to go over to Google News, and obviously then take something that's that would be an interesting article that these sites are going to be looking for, and then you can just download it and copy it, put it into somewhere like the ChatGPT site, or even just an article spinner, something like that, and then you put that article in as your content and see if they will accept it, and you would then obviously get paid. That is what they are stating. Now, there are obviously flaws with this. Obviously, if you are taking someone else's content and using it word for word, so that is obviously a copyright. So you can't actually do that by law. Now, if you are obviously then spinning the article and maybe rewording it, then okay, it's not going to be word for word then, but it still could be found out. A lot of these companies, that when you actually submit the article to their website, they will then obviously have it checked and thoroughly checked, and there is software out there that will check it and find out whether it is a very unique article, and we're talking it has to be a certain percentage of unique words, etc., to make it a unique article. And that's where you could obviously fall down. Now, if you do, obviously, one, the actual company is not going to pay you, and two, you're going to give yourself a bad name. So to actually say that you're going to go and obviously earn $1,400 per day could be very difficult to actually do anyway. Because let's face it, if you're going to write a really good article, that's going to take you one day, and you're not going to get $1,400 just for one article. What they're saying is that you've got to submit a few articles to get up to that figure. Now, you could come to a tool like Spinbot, for argument's sake, and all you've got to do is literally paste in the text. So if we come to this article here, which we have up, and we'll just literally take some of this for you and just show you how quickly they say you can obviously do it. Just copy that, and we come across to Spinbot, paste in the text, and then literally we go a basic spin. And this will literally just take you a few seconds okay, to actually get. What it's done, it's taken the 1200 article into a 1400 article, so they've actually come up with 200 characters more, so it would be quite different, but again, the same words are being used all the time, etc. So like I say, you're going to be found out about that. By going over and using Google News, like I say, you could come into trouble with this. And I don't honestly think that it's a good business opportunity for you guys, unless you are a very good writer. If you could sit here and then you could write loads of different articles about the news stuff that's going on right now, and do research and write it all in your own name, write it all in your own words, then yes, you could actually make money. Whether you'd make $1,400 per day, I very much doubt it. Again, I think these are very much a clickbait title. So just be careful when you are searching stuff on Google, on YouTube. Just remember that these guys, as I do, we get paid for obviously showing people our videos. So yes, of course we want more views, but at the end of the day, I'd rather tell people the truth and not get as many views than get thousands of views for something that is not really the truth. Because at the end of the day, the real people that want to make money online and that are serious about it are not going to follow you, because obviously you're not taking it seriously and you know that this is not going to be possible. I like to work with people that are willing to really serious about making money online, and that want to use methods that are proven methods, that are legal methods that you can actually make money. And there are plenty of those out there, guys. So you don't need to be going chasing $1,400 a day from Google News just by copy and pasting. It's just not going to happen, is it? Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. If you are really serious about making money as well, don't forget to check out our Facebook community, where you can go and join that for free as well. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.